what is she giving? Is she giving like school teacher right now? Is she giving school nurse? What is she giving? Hey babes, welcome back to a new video. If this is your very first time here, my name is Tiana. Welcome. So today's video is actually a hair maintenance video. Like y'all, I did some blonde braids in my hair for the very first time. I'll insert a reference photo here just so y'all can get an idea of how my braids look. So I just took those out and now it's time to wash this hair, girl. Okay, so we will be going in with the Amika hair products. Y'all, I absolutely love these products. Like the moisture that it gives is just top tier, because after my hair come out of like braids or quick weaves or anything like that, my hair is just very dry and brittle. So y'all know we got to up the hydration, okay? And Amika is gonna do that for your girl every single time. I need to detangle my hair, and y'all look at my curls. Like they look so good outside of my braids. My hair is so healthy, it's growing, and I just love that for me. But like I said, I have to detangle this. I don't have like a spray bottle to wet my hair, so I'm gonna try to detangle it as safely as possible on dry hair. And let's just hope that I don't be breaking my hair off. But if it gets too intense, then I'll just go ahead and hop in the shower and just wet my hair and then try to detangle it a little bit and then apply that hair mask. So yeah. So I'm just going to take my bristle brush and just start by detangling the ends. And I like to kind of pick at it instead of just going straight in and just dragging the brush all the way through it. And I start at the ends to prevent my hair from breaking even further. So first I'm going to go in with this hair mask. I like to leave this on for 10 minutes while I'm in the shower. This is a very hydrating hair mask. It'll allow for me to detangle my hair as well as for my hair to be penetrated with all of its hydrating elements within this hair mask. So this is the Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Mask. I like to go in with this first and let it sit on my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes while I shower the rest of my body. This will allow for my hair to penetrate its intense moisture abilities. This hair mask will help my hair absorb the moisture of this mask, and it also will help with the detangling and, as I stated, the dry and brittleness of my hair after coming out of braids. Yeah, this mask will address that. Next, I like to go in with the Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Shampoo with hyaluronic acid. I absolutely love this shampoo. It lathers really well and it gives me hydration for 72 hours. I also pair this with the Amika Hydro Rush conditioner as well. The hyaluronic acid in the conditioner and the shampoo, it plumps my hair by maintaining the moisture, and the bio-fermented coconut water adds natural hydration. I rinse all of these products out completely. Hey y'all, so we just finished washing our hair, and y'all, so much of my hair came out and I'm a little bit disappointed about it, and my hair still feels a little bit brittle. So once I go and get my hair professionally done, I think I will get like the hydration treatment. But yeah, so like around my edges, I'll come in a little bit around my edges here. It came out, and then like y'all can see like my heat damage here. And then this is like really thin, but it's okay. It's okay. It's hair. It's hair. After I wash my hair, I like to go in with these 3 products. This is the Kenra smoothing lotion. I like to use this to blow my hair out. And then I also use the Kenra blow dry spray. This is like a heat protectant, so I always use this. And then I just use this color Wow. Even though I won't be wearing my hair straight, I will be doing a ponytail. But I just like to put this on anyway, just out of habit. This actually keeps my hair from frizzing up if I was to like straighten it. But she's good. I definitely like this. And I like the Kenra spray. Really good. So I'm going to just spray this all over my hair. If I was wearing this straight, I would like spray tons of this spray. But since I'm not wearing it straight, I just spray a little bit. And this, I like to spray a lot. And this smells really good. I only like to take just a couple pumps of this and just put it all over my hair because I don't want to weigh it down when I'm blow drying it or make it sticky. Y'all, this looks so good and my curls look so good. One day I'm gonna do like a wash and go and like take my diffuser and just really get to business and see how my hair looks, because I've never done a wash and go before. So yeah, girl, let's get to blow drying this hair. Okay, y'all, so we are nice and blow dry. Y'all, my hair has grown so much. Even though all my hair came out when I was washing it, baby, that was dead hair, because this has grown like since last month when I did my wash maintenance routine. Y'all, my hair is so thick and I'm just so happy because I just really felt like all of my hair had fallen out in the shower. But yeah, so we actually gonna do like a pineapple ponytail type look on my hair. I've never done this before, but one of my clients told me about this ponytail that she purchased on Amazon, and baby, when she came over to get her makeup done, her hair was looking so good. It looked just like her hair. So I went and picked up the same ponytail. I have not opened this or anything. I don't even know how to put the thing on. She said that it like just clipped. Oh, look. They gave me some bobby pins. So I guess, you know, you need some bobby pins to put it on. I don't know. So it comes in this like package. So this looks crazy right now. But this is the bun. Okay, so like this, come on camera. Okay, so like this part here is like the bang, and like this part here is like the bun, which gives it like that pineapple look. So it comes like with this drawstring here and like a tab or something. Well, no, it's just the drawstring. Okay, so this is just the drawstring ponytail part, and then this part right here clips in the front for your bun. I meant for your bang. So I'm gonna put my hair up into a ponytail. So I guess I'll put it, let me see. So I guess I'll put it all the way back like this, but I want my bun to be up. So maybe I need to have like a high bun. So maybe I need to bring this up like that. Okay, we're gonna get this hair in a ponytail, and yeah, we got the hair all up into a ponytail. I just placed it into a bun on top of my head. So now I'm gonna take the drawstring ponytail, and I'm just gonna okay, all right, I got it. All right, so I'm just gonna loosen it up, and it does come with a clip in the back. I thought it did, because I was gonna be like, how in the world this thing was gonna come on, stay on. All right, so okay, so I'm just gonna slide this onto my original ponytail, and then tuck the comb in the back and tighten the drawstring. And then for this little piece up front, I'm just gonna tuck the comb in and then snap it. And just manipulate this ponytail to my liking. Y'all, this is kind of cute. If I can get this part to like, let me see. Okay, I think this is cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe I'll wrap this around some type of way and tuck it in the bag. Okay. Y'all, this is cute. I mean, it's not really looking like much of anything right now because I don't have like my makeup and stuff done, but this is giving. Now, what is this little piece here? Child. Okay, let's do something like this. But y'all, this is cute. I like this. Yeah, girl, this is like real cute and simple, quick. And I think this ponytail was only like $16, $17, and she is cute. She's definitely giving a natural girl moment. I don't know if it's for me right now, but Yeah, girl. So I don't know. Y'all tell me down below in the comment section what y'all think of this ponytail. Like, is she giving or what? Like, y'all, I don't know. Maybe I need to put on some earrings and put my glasses or something on and see if she's giving. Hold on. I'll be right back. Let me go get some earrings, girl. Okay, girl, we got the glasses on, we got the studs in. Like, what is she giving? Is she giving like school teacher right now? Is she giving school nurse? What is she giving? Like, y'all, this is so funny to me. I don't know because I never ever really wear my natural hair, and so this is like so close to my natural hair, and so it's just giving mixed vibes. So I don't know. In the mirror she looking okay. On camera it's looking a hot mess. It's giving Marge Simpson. So I don't know. Y'all gonna tell me. I think it'll be a moment, like if I put some clothes on, did my makeup, you know, zhushed it up a little bit. I think it'll be a real cute moment. It's definitely a quick little hairstyle if you're on a budget, which I am. So yeah, I don't think it's bad. I think it's cute. So I think we have had a successful hair maintenance day. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below how y'all think about this look. What y'all feel about this look? Comment that now. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are on our way to 5K, sister girl. So please subscribe because we're out, okay? I'll have a link down below for this hair. It's from Amazon, like I said. So if you're interested in purchasing it, just go to the description box, girl. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.